Hi folks, today we will put upstairs a 600-pound gun safe to a second floor closet. We are greeted by a super friendly couple who showed us around and the spot they wanted the safe to be placed. We will have straight stairs. We also got a wide landing area, which is good. We will turn the safe right into the bedroom and left into the closet. And here's the closet where we will install the safe. Well, let's do this. We unpack the safe, unscrew it from the pallet and protect it to avoid any damages or scratches. We will use hydraulic jacks to roll the safe inside close to the stairs. Next, we will land the safe on two wood beams, remove the jacks, and bring the electric stair climber. Now comes what separates men from boys. Take the safe upstairs is a real challenge. I stay down, partially underneath the safe, to better coordinate the way up.
Load up.
Meanwhile, my helpers do the tilting movement and trigger the stair climber engine as I command them. There we go, this is a dangerous and no-rush operation. We keep doing synchronized and coordinated movements, letting the powerful electric stair climber do the hard work. We must keep the safe center of gravity perfectly balanced at all times. If we tilt the safe down too much, it can slide down the stairs. If we put it too much on the vertical position, the safe can drag us all down in the opposite direction. Gravity is not forgiven.
Agora é a hora, viu?
The stairs part is over. The safe is up on the landing. We will put a special low-profile cart underneath the safe and wheel it into the closet. There is the safe into the closet. Job done. Thanks for watching and God bless America.